Hello everybody, welcome to my new video, and in this one I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to use the proximity prompt, like just a little basic explanation. Like if you ever see like something that says E to interact in Roblox or whatever, I'll show you how to do it and a little bit just how it works. So what you want to do is like open a template or whatever, base play. Okay, so now you're in the little menu thing. So what you want to do is go to part. Alright, so once you finish creating the part, go to where I am, and where you see the plus over the part that you just placed, you'll see which one it is because it's highlighted blue. Click the plus, click script, and then you should see print hello world or whatever, even if it's blank. So what you want to do now, before you start scripting, click the plus on the part again, and then type in proximity prompt. It should look like this, somewhat like this. Create it, and what you should see whenever you go inside the game, it should say interact. But right now it does nothing, because, well, we didn't put any code, really. So what you want to do first is do local part equals script.parent. Now, the reason why we do local, just for people that don't really know how to do the code. So basically what this does is creates a variable for the script. And then part, it could be whatever name. And then you do equal, and here's whenever you set the value of what the part is. So it could be equal to a number, 5,000. It could be equal to a string or something. You get my point. And the reason why we do script.parent is because, as you can see, here is the script. And the parent, aka the thing the script is inside, is the part. And the next thing we want to do is local. And then what I'll do is prompt. And then that'll equal part.proximity prompt, aka the proximity part over here. So what you'll do now, just to get it going, what you'll do is prompt.triggered connect. And then what you'll do inside here is a function, aka known as a function anonymous function, because it won't really have any value inside of it. And then get to the end bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll highlight it in blue. Get behind that and then press enter. It should look somewhat like this on your screen. Whatever name you have, the local things. Okay, so what you'll do now is now you have whatever code will happen whenever you press it. So let's just say I want to make it turn a random color, let's just say. What I'll do is do part, aka this local variable that I created, which will reflect to the part itself, and then do part.color, it'll equal color3.new. And then inside here, to make it a random color, I forgot to say this, do local, and then I'll just do RNG for random. It'll equal random.new. What you'll do next, okay, never mind. Okay, so it should say random.new. What you'll do in here now is RNG next number. So now it should say something like this, and repeat it 3 times with the same exact spelling that I have, and with the little parentheses. And then the last one, next number. Okay, so the reason why we do this is the part.color, aka it will reflect to the color of this part, and the color3.new is, well, like RGB, red, green, and blue, which RNG next number is going to do. It's going to make it a random color by using the random.new. So the next number means that it's going to use whatever number the RNG uses. If we want to set it a certain color, we'll do something like 255, 255, and 255. As you can see, this little white box is what color will be. So if I change this to 25, like this, it basically turn whatever color it's going to be. And this is going to make it random. So now whenever we go inside the game, it should hopefully turn into a different color. And as you can see, it works. I keep pressing it, and it's turning different colors. So if you want to go further beyond or something, just for this example, let's make it clone itself, like just 4 studs higher. Do local clone, and that'll equal the part : clone, aka it's going to duplicate whatever the script.parent is, aka this part that we have. And then that's not all we have to do. What we'll do next is do clone.position. The reason why we do clone.position is because this little new variable we created is going to be the clone of the part. So let's do clone.position, aka we grab the position, will equal part.position, aka that's how we can find where the part is. That way we can clone it. And then to make it go up 3 studs or 4 studs up, we do plus vector 3. That way we can do x, y, z. And then do dot new. Then do 0, aka for the x, and the y 4. That way we could do 4 studs up, and then 0 from the next one for the z. And then next what we do, this is not all, it doesn't have a parent, aka like it would just spawn a clone just in like nothing. So we need to set the parent to workspace. That's how we are able to see it. What we'll do is do clone.parent, aka we're setting the new parent equal workspace. So now it should clone itself. And as you can see, it does work. And if we want to do something random, if you want to do something fun, we could add a sound to it. Like just a little like poof sound or something. What we'll do is go to the toolbox, aka go to view and then toolbox. Press models or whatever it is. Click on audio. So now it should show all these. And I'm just going to see what's over here. Let's see. How about let's just do a little button sound. The button.wave. Alright, so now we have the button. It's drag it with the mouse and then put it into part. That way it's not the child of the script. And what we'll do next is that this way we can add the sound, do local sound or whatever you want to name it, and it will equal part dot whatever name of the sound you want. And it should have something like this. This is how you know it's a sound. If it like has this, it's green or whatever, has the same name as the sound. Alright, so here's the most simplest thing in probably the entire universe. All you gotta do to make it play is whatever variable name you have, and then just do play. All we gotta do. So now let's go back to home on this thing, or we could press this, but let's click on play. And what should happen is that creates a little sound. I don't know if you can hear it all the way, but you can probably. As you can see, it changes the color. Hope you enjoyed this little explanation on how to use the proximity part, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.